This is going to be a video to help us subtract integers. Since we already know how to add integers, let's change the problems to where we're adding rather than subtracting. It's important to understand that subtracting means the same thing as adding the opposite of that number. Let's look at number 1. Number 1 reads -14 minus 8. Since subtracting means the same thing as adding the opposite, let's change the problem to addition. When I do that, I copy change, or add the opposite. So the first number, -14, is going to be copied or stay the same. The subtraction sign is going to change to addition, and the positive 8 will change to -8. Now I ask myself, do these numbers work together or against each other? They work together, so I add them up, and my answer is going to be equal to -22. Let's look at number 2. It's -12 minus -18. Since subtracting a number means the same thing as adding the opposite, let's change this problem to addition. And I'm going to do that by copy change, or adding the opposite. The -12 stays the same. Subtraction changes to addition. The -18 changes to +18. And now I ask myself, do they work together or against each other? In this case, they work against each other. And the positive wins because 18 is bigger than 12. When they work against each other, I subtract them. 18 minus 12 is 6. And since the positive wins, the answer is +6. Let's do the last one. 19 minus -14. Again, just like before, since subtracting a number means the same thing as adding the opposite, let's change the problem to addition by copy change, or adding the opposite. So when I copy the first number, I get 19. When I change subtraction to addition, I just change the sign, or the operation, and then the -14 will change to +14. In this case, I get 19 plus 14. And they work together, and this is a problem that you've been probably doing since about 1st or 2nd grade. 19 plus 14, I just add them up, and I get +33.